This is so magical. My pictures are gonna be bomb. My pictures are gonna be bomb as hell. Right. Look how bright this is. My pictures are about to pop. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mutia. If you're not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be showing you how I set up my ring light, and I'm going to be giving you my honest review on this ring light. So I bought this ring light off of Amazon yesterday and it arrived today, and so I'm going to be unboxing it. Well, it's already open. I'm going to be unboxing it. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. And I'm very, very excited for it because I've been debating for months if I should get a ring light or not, and I finally bought it. I'm so happy, you have no idea. So yeah, I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. So this is what the box looks like. It has lots of papers in it, so yeah, let's get rid of that. I hope you can see it from here, guys. I'm just going to push it back a little bit. So it has lots of papers, just to keep it safe. And this is the ring light. This is what it looks like. This is just an empty box, guys, so ignore that. This is my ring light, guys, and it doesn't come with a stand. I bought the one that didn't come with a stand because I already have a stand, so I thought, what's the point in buying another stand if I already have a stand? So yeah, because I have a softbox and I could just use the stand from my softbox. And this is what my stand looks like. It's not included, but if you want to buy one, there's one that is included, but it's just a little bit more expensive. So yeah, you can check that one out if you want. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I can't even. What is it? Oh my god. This is an empty box on the side. This is what the packaging looks like. And I don't know what this is. I'm going to see what is in here. This is the warm filter. This is the warm filter. Oh, this is the plug, guys. This is the plug. It's a UK plug. And filter. This is all the exhibits stuff. I don't know what this is. Can you see? Oh, this is the plug. I think this connects to the light, and then this goes in here, and then you plug this into the socket. And then a manual. Yeah, black people don't read manuals, so I have never come across one black person that reads manuals. I don't know why. Oh, and this holds your phone up or your camera. You can turn it for it to be landscape or portrait. And in here we have I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna figure it out. More manuals. Oh, this is my favorite one. This. Look at this little mini button over here. You can use this to take pictures of you without actually touching your phone, and I feel like that is so cool. I've been wanting to buy this for a while now. I'm so glad it comes with a package. So that's amazing. I'm going to open it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I haven't been this excited in time. I know, sad. Oh! I can't. Woo! This is so magical. I can't. Wow, this is big. This is actually bigger than I thought. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller. What? My pictures are gonna be bomb. It's over for all of you lot. My picture's gonna be bomb as hell. Yeah, and this is an empty bag. So yeah, let's plug this baby in. Right, so I'm guessing I'm gonna unscrew that. Okay. This is my stand. It doesn't come with it, it's not included, but this is my very own stand and I'm gonna use it. Hey! Hey! He's fit, Maggie fit. See? What broke? Why is it very wobbly? Did I break something? Oh, okay. So you can adjust it. You can adjust it by unscrewing this or screwing it. So you can adjust it so it will go front or back. Front or back. Front or back. Front or back. Yeah, I'm gonna break this in a minute. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Oh, okay. It actually fits. And I am glad that it fits. Because boy, if it didn't, I would not know what I would do. Oh, you can, yeah, my stand is really good because you can adjust it how you want it or how you want it. Oh, I found the plug. I found it. I found it. I found it. And now I'm going to switch off the lights. Switch off the lights now. And now I'm going to plug this baby in. Oh. What? Guys. Huh? Oh my god. Yo. Look how bright this is. Ha! My pictures are about to pop. Ah! Yo, am I tripping up? This is so bright. I can't. It's actually adjustable as well. You can adjust it, make it dim. This is, well, basically off. And this is how high it goes. This is the highest. Well, this is the highest actually. You can dim it and increase the lighting. Hey, I'm so high, what? Huh? Must be tripping, cause boy. I'm so excited, guys. I can't wait, man. I can't wait. But now I'm gonna put in the warmer filter so you guys can see what it looks like when it's warm. So yeah, let me show y'all what it looks like. Oh my god! I quite like this warm tone, not gonna lie. I quite like this warm tone, so yeah. I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to show you what it looks like on my face. So guys, this is what the warm tone looks like on my face. It's quite warm. I'm going to compare it to the cooler tone. I'm going to like put it side by side so you guys can see the difference. So this is what the warm tone looks like on my face. Yeah. Guys, I've switched the filter back to the cooler tone and this is what it looks like. So I hope you guys can see the difference. I quite like this one as well, but yeah, I quite like them both, but I feel like it's just up to you, personal preference really. But I really like this one. I can't wait to start using it. I feel like it's just gonna make my routine so much easier, because setting up a softbox is actually really difficult. It's just long. I think I'm going to do an unboxing on that one as well. I'm probably going to show you how I set up my my softbox, so you can see how it's like. They're quite big and there's like 2 softboxes, so it's a bit much for me. So I feel like this is just better. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna put it back in the box, to be honest. I'm gonna leave it there. So yeah, so switching on my lights now, and this is what it looks like with room light and a ring light. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and yeah, let me know if you guys like videos like this so I can start doing more unboxing videos. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming this far anyway. Hope to see you guys soon again. Bye.